Okay, we have a Mazak CNC 4-axis vertical machining center model VCN 510C. Machine was new in 2005. It has a Mazatrol 640M control. We're going to run it for you. Machine's running right now.
That's
5,000 RPM. It goes up to 12,000 RPM. It has 7,500 RPM. It has 41.34 inches in X travel, 20.08 in the Y, and 20.08 in the Z. Essentially a 40 by 20 by 20 machine. 51.18 by 21.65 table. We're doing a tool change. Machine also has Renishaw part probe. 4th axis table. All right. 30 ATC, by the way, 30 tools. That's your X-axis. Y. That's your rotary. And the Z. All axes are quiet. Machine's original paint. And hey, that's our video today.